Welcome to our digital Christmas event. We would love to show you how to use Hopin so you can have the best experience. First step, you can access a link via email, social media post, message, or even a QR code.
This takes you to a virtual ticket booth. Simply click Get Tickets. Once you click that, you will be taken to a sign-up page so you can register and buy your ticket, all completely free of charge. You will need to create an account to register. It's quick and simple. Enter your email, name and password and you can join any Hopin account with this login. Now you can sit back and relax until the day of the event. Watch out for a reminder on your email sometime before the event begins. Click the link on the email to join.
When you join the event, there'll be 3 sessions to your left-hand side. The first area is the reception, where you'll find the schedule of the event and anything you need to know pre-session. The second area is where the magic happens. This is a stage where you'll meet our presenters and see our main performances. And to your right, there's a chat where you can connect with others. Our third area is labelled sessions. Here, you can pick whatever you like from a range of activities, from Kahoots to well-being.